right next to them.
Okay, so we don't need to worry about that anymore.
I mean, yeah, you do.
Be cautious.
Yes, be cautious. Use your common sense. We've never lost a human. We've had 2 bites. We've lost too many dogs. Never paddleboard.
Hey,
Oh, look at that.
Look at that guy. Be aware, we're going to go to the Myakka River with friends, and we're going to paddle very, very close to a bunch of alligators. We're glad we get to take you with us, but if that frightens you, fast forward. So we're walking to try to scope this out and see where we want to put our kayaks in. And I'm looking right over here, and I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gators. We're going to get in kayaks. What would be the best place to put in?
And you brought your own?
Yeah, we have our own.
You had your own? You can put there.
Go down and just check this out and make sure that we can get the kayaks in from here, but I think we can, don't you? It looks like we can.
Looks like it's going to be pretty tough to tackle.
Yeah, it does. You okay with it, sweetheart?
Yeah.
If this is your first time with us, you may not know that we skipped a lot of campgrounds that we were going to stay at so we could extend our stay to stay in the Florida Keys. We had 15 glorious, perfect days in the Keys. But one of the campgrounds we had to skip, Myakka River. So when our friends Rocky and Sue said that they would like to go paddling on the Myakka River today, well, that was perfect for us. The wind's blowing maybe 23 to 25 and they're expecting thunderstorms, so it may not be perfect weather. So, are you okay, really?
Not really, but...
We have 2 foldable kayaks and 1 inflatable kayak, and we're all going out on those. It should be, as Rocky just said, an adventure. See it? This is awesome, guys. This is just awesome. Right up there, there's a gator right in front of Sue and Rocky. Yeah, give him a lot of distance. Wow. Wow. Just, wow. That'll get your heart racing. This is the reward for not giving up on the difficult paddle. Same bird and gator number 19. See inside of her mouth. Whoa. Oh crap. I don't think he is. Because you would still be paddling if he was. But he hissed and jumped in the water. He did. I guess I did. I was concentrating on getting steady video, and I actually got a little closer to that guy than I really wanted to. But he hissed at me and then jumped into the water. And he was pretty aggressive. There's another one in the water up here. Wow, there's two up here. There's another one on the bank ahead of that one. Fell a big group.
Buttload of alligators.
Buttload of alligators. That's a buttload right there. That's 5 alligators in a row that we've seen there, and there's one right there. Oh gosh, that's a huge one. That's a huge one. That's Daddy right there. That's Granddaddy.
Look at that.
Look at that guy.
That's as big as we've seen. Here, you stay on this side of us. Oh, right here is one.
Right where?
It was.
Right there? Holy moly. I don't know if I would or not, honey. They're in a poppable kayak. I just think we're bringing them mail.
He didn't get that big just by eating fish.
No, he didn't. No, he did not. Dang, that was a
big boy.
that guy. He was proud.
Mama Publix and
Yeah, holy crap. He's got a discount card at Mama Publix. We're laughing, but I bet it's a nervous laugh. Seven.
Oh, there's one way over here too.
I think we've gone far enough, haven't we? It's incredible.
That is cool right there. Look at that.
Yeah. Are you coming up here?
That's awesome.
That's awesome. It might be crazy, but it's awesome.
Yeah.
This is as far as we can go.
We have to turn around.
Well,
That's awesome.
I know there are a lot of you that are going to watch this that are going to not like it. And I'm sorry. But for Lynn and I, this is all part of it. I think we told you before, we've been to Florida enough that we know to keep our distance from gators. And just over there to the left, and he's looking. He's saying, that's the dude. There he is. I chased that guy. There he is. Oh, baby.
Coming here, going boy.
He did. Hey, buddy. You decided I didn't taste good last time. Uh-oh. He's down under. I ain't waiting around, I'm telling you. He's the mean one. Where's Mama? So we can see Rocky and Sue's bolt through the trees there, just about back. I'm going to take them out at a different spot, just a little bit up the road from where we put them in, because that was a pretty muddy mess there. So I don't know if it'll be the same, but it was an epic paddle. Well, I need my hat.
You do need a hat.
I
So which way is it supposed to go?
I don't know. Rocky and Sue, thank you for encouraging us to go today and taking us over there.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it had just been me and Owen, I would have had the courage to do it. But
Yeah.
it was an awesome thing to do. Awesome to see all the alligators, and
So how do you feel about it?
it was scary. It was seeing the alligators on the bank, I didn't mind so bad. But when they come off the bank and get in the water, that kind of scared me. I mean, that paddle was hard. The wind was blowing pretty hard, and it was pretty tough. I'm sure I'll be sore tomorrow.
Hey guys, we had a good time though. It's something that I'm glad we got to go over there, and going over there with friends. And I don't know, there was a little bit of safety knowing that there were at least 4 of us there. But 43 alligators on one paddle.
That's awesome. Yeah.
I don't know. This is awesome.